Hey, welcome to the Collis Confidence, the podcast brought to you by the team at Collis Roofing, your source for straightforward answers and expert advice.
Miss Christina Sullivan with Realty Factors, Inc. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to chat with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so we know that you've worked together with our estimator, Eddie Code, and have not one but two roof replacements done with Collis Roofing. How has your experience been with our quality of work and professionalism?
Super responsive, incredibly professional, very punctual. Any questions, always available. Very positive overall.
Perfect. And you've obviously shopped around for a roofer and received multiple quotes in doing both of your residential roof replacements. And working with us, how did the quotes stand out from others? What made you choose Collis Roofing over the competition?
They were comparable to other quotes, and just the experience that Collis Roofing has, the years, Eddie's personal touch and approach to it also made me want to. I trusted him. I believed in what he told me, and it made me feel comfortable and confident in going with Collis.
Awesome. That's great to hear. Now, let's talk about what you're experiencing as a realtor in today's world. When you're selling a home, how often does a roof come up as a major negotiating point? Does age and condition come into play, affecting the buyer's interest or willingness to pay in full? Well, what are you getting?
Every single time. The roof is a huge point of contention. If the roof is 10 years or older, that's going to be an issue right there and there. Insurance companies are reluctant to insure properties that have older roofs. Therefore, if you can't get insurance, you can't get a loan. So
Right.
that is definitely a huge negotiating factor.
Okay, so you have encountered situations where the insurance denies coverage or required a roof replacement to bind the policy together?
Absolutely, 100%.
Okay, and then how often do buyers walk away from deals due to roof issues or high replacement quotes?
Walk away, I wouldn't say walk away. Typically, that is just a point that is negotiated. So if what I have noticed is sometimes sellers aren't as willing to replace the roof during the contractual period. So what we try to do is find an insurance company that's willing to bind the home for a period of time after closing, so then we can get the roof done. So typically in those scenarios, I have Collis Roofing on standby, ready to go. So everything can basically be completed within a 2-week period.
Beautiful. Okay. And then what type of roofs are buyers gravitating towards? I mean, what's in right now? Shot, shingle, tile, metal? What are we looking for?
I mean, metal is in, but metal is more expensive. So
Yep.
typically we just go to shingle.
Okay. And then are the buyers specifically asking for newer roofs or certain materials due to high insurance costs or storm durability?
Newer roofs, absolutely. Newer roofs are a huge selling point.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So getting a replacement sometimes is critical to the home sale.
100%.
Okay. And then in working with Collis Roofing, can you confidently recommend your clients for roof replacements or repair work? If so, why or why not?
Yes. Yes. Again, the communication, the timely responses are just the quality of work is just impeccable. So yes, I will always recommend Collis Roofing.
Well, thank you, Christina. It's been a pleasure picking your brain today, and thank you for taking the time again to join us. We're looking forward to working with you more again in the future.
Thank you so much, Nicole.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found today's insights helpful. For more information or to contact us, visit our website at www.collisroofing.com or give us a call 321-441-2300. Don't forget to follow us on our socials for project spotlights and behind the scenes content. Until next time, stay dry and stay confident.